4 levers that startups can use to gain market share from incumbents using Tymebank. Okay, so Tymebank is essentially a neobank or challenger bank like Monzo or Revolute. And if we come into their homepage, you can see that the first lever that they're using is pricing. So their messaging really centers around get a free bank account, get a free Visa debit card, get a debit card mahala. Not only is it free to open an account, but you also receive a free Visa debit card. So their value proposition is really around transparency, affordability, accessibility, right? And that's because of the second lever they're using, which is essentially serving an underserved target markets. We talk a lot about banking the unbanked, right? We love talking about banking the unbanked. When we look at Tymebank's digital marketing, the digital marketing really centers around 2 target personas. The first one is a low income sensitive user who really wants a low cost, low frills approach to banking. And then we have another consumer who's incredibly digitally savvy, who also wants a low cost, low frills approach to banking. This is probably their first bank account, right? So somebody from a very rural area, somebody from an urban area, but a low income consumer. So if we look at their digital marketing, you can see that they're targeting young people a lot. So the under 35 age group is probably one of their key target segments, especially in relation to their digitally savvy target persona. The next lever that Tymebank are using is innovative banking products. So if we come onto their homepage and we look at this, they have all of their different products here. So they have the everyday accounts, pay shop, send money, goal save, fixed deposit and rewards. The goal save helps consumers to save money. Then they have this fixed deposit account, an 11% high yield interest account. So they say unlock the power of saving. They're essentially trying to hook customers with these kinds of products and then bring them into the Tymebank ecosystem. So then they have more time, grant advance and time advance. So more time is essentially like PayFlex, Pay Just Now, Klarna, buy now, pay later services. So instead of partnering with PayFlex or Klarna, they've essentially just built their own product. Then they have grant advance and time advance, which are essentially payday loans, right? And then time health and funeral cover. So this is an ecosystem of Tymebank's products specifically targeting this low income consumer, right? Once a consumer comes into this everyday bank account or maybe opens this fixed deposit account, they're upsold into Tymebank's ecosystem. So the final lever that Tymebank have used to gain market share from major banks is really their distribution strategy, right? So across Africa, we have this mobile money agent network, this distribution model of mobile money booths, right? Most of these are owned by telcos like MTN, Airtel, for example. And across Africa, we have agents who run these mobile money booths where you can deposit money, withdraw money as well. And so essentially Tymebank have taken this model and they've applied it to the South African context. And what's really amazing about this model is they've partnered with Pick n Pay and now with TFG, the Fashini Group. And so what they've done is they have 14,000 till points and they have 2,000 kiosks around the country in order to really have this kind of distribution effect, right? It creates this visibility effect, a remarketing effect where you go grocery shopping and you see these kiosks and you're being remarketed to every single time.